You guys, if you have not gotten you one of these little Ipsy mystery bags yet, you need to get on it. They are so worth it. They're only $14. Some of them are limited edition, so I'd hurry up and run on over there and get them. My referral link is down in the description, guys. I'll show you all in a little bit what's in this one. All right, loves. So Ipsy's really been rocking it lately. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to our new subscribers. Welcome to Sunny's Place. You guys, we're going to get into this Ipsy mystery bag. They have all different assortments of them. They have a really cute glitter bag that I'm wanting to get and see what's in it. I think those are the limited edition ones. The one I got was only $14. It is so cute. I'm actually thinking about clipping this off and putting it on my keychain. That is just adorable. Look, a little butterfly and a flower. And then, of course, it has little Ipsy emblem on the zipper. Now, I take these bags and I fill them full of non-perishable items, and I donate them to the church, the schools. Knowing I hand them out to the homeless people on the corners or the homeless camps. We put socks in there, dry foods in there for them, a lot of sanitary things for the women out there. So if you do not want your little Ipsy bags, please send them to me. My P.O. box is down in the description for you guys. Okay, let's get into this Ipsy mystery bag. This one was so worth it. Only $14, you guys. Wow. First off, they put in these two Cermetic face masks. This one here is for Vital Collagen. And this one here says Age Control Multivita. So there's multivitamins filled in this one. Now, with all face masks, guys, you need to do them religiously to actually get the benefits out of them. Otherwise, when you first just put them on, and you do them like I do every once in a while, usually every couple of weeks I do them, you just get this big hydration going through your face. That is the only benefits I've gotten from them because I do not use them enough. I really need to do them more. I do use the daily moisturizer every day, but I don't do the face mask all the time. Next thing we got here is a brush. Let's see what it's all about. It looks like a little blending brush. Let's see if we can see what it says. Bella and Argent. Cute, very soft, nice little blending brush. Next thing we have is this lip oil. It's Sophia and Mabel, which I'm going to go ahead and put it on. For those that don't know, you can use lip oils, tinted lip oils, as a lip gloss also. Just to give it that extra hydration. I do use a regular lip oil every day. Miss Stephanie, Opinionated Horsewoman. Look what you did. Look what you got me addicted to. Yeah, she's addicted to lip oils now. So that's the second thing that we got. This is a nice shimmery peach lip oil. Next thing we have here, Shades by Shan, or Shan, S-H-A-N. This is probably going to be a duo eyeshadow palette. These are handy if you just want to pop it in your purse. It has a shimmer and a matte. Just see how those apply without anything underneath them there. Just this would be a base coat and then a little shimmer over your eyelid and underneath the brow bone. Okay, it is buildable. Get you to see it very well there. There we go. Right there, all across there, that's all the shimmer. It's a gorgeous shimmer and matte palette. That's it. Very handy, quick on the go, pop in your purse. Last thing we have here, Benefits Roller Lash. So I actually have some of this. I don't know if I have any that's open. No, I sure don't. So Benefit Roller Lash, waterproof, volumizer, curling, fantastic mascara. Fantastic mascara, you guys. My problem was I was applying too much. I do like the wand. It only has that little curl at the end. That's it. My problem was I was applying too much and my eyelashes would feel like rubber. Like it just don't put too much on, you guys. Like, it doesn't take a lot to do what it's supposed to do, and it looks damn well. I'm not going to put it on for you today because I do have lashes on right now. So I'm going to set this out for here in my drawer right there. And I will use that later on for you guys so y'all can see exactly how it works. It is fantastic. Love it. So for 14 bucks, you guys, we got a blending brush, the Benefit Roller Lash. We got 2 face masks, and a lip oil. We also received a 2-quad eyeshadow palette. You guys, right here is face makeup. You can use the shimmer in here for a highlighter. You can use the tinted lip oil, and the base shadow will make you a little blush. Yeah, right here you go. Full face, 3 things. So simple, so easy. Guys, I'm digging, really digging Ipsy's little mystery bags. I really do like them. All right, loves, that is all. That is it. That is all. That is all. That is it. And again, I will leave my Ipsy referral link down in the description for you guys. Again, some of these bags are limited edition. I don't believe this was one of the limited edition bags. But if you want to get one, go run and grab this one here. How cute is that, for one? And 2, very well worth the money. Very well worth it. All right, loves, that's all. Your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.